Today's recipe is going to be a very wonderful, creamy bar of soap that is made out of olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil as the primary ingredients.
I have my stick blender in the bowl and I'm moving it around gently to get rid of any air bubbles. And soap making refers to the texture of soap once the lye and water mixture has incorporated fully with the oil. And so it will have this very distinct pudding-like texture and thickness to it. And I'll describe the stages of hot process next.
At this point in the soap making process, you've done pretty much all the hard work, and now we let the hot process take action.
So once we get to a particular height, we're going to mix this around and allow it to continue heating through and going through. It does smell really good. And we're going to test the pH. You should feel very accomplished at this point. Next, I'll add some dried rose petals to another one of my soaps. After 4 weeks have passed of curing, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this soap making adventure.